Hi, I'm Frank, the low-carb cocktail guy. And I wanted to start off this video by saying thank you to my subscribers who reached out to me. I've been off for a couple of months. Real life stuff kind of got in the way. Then I had some technical issues with my camera and then my software. But I'm back. So I want to thank all my followers and all my subscribers who reached out to me through emails and social media just to check on me, make sure I'm okay. That really warmed my heart. And I love you all. Let's start drinking some stuff. The next few videos you're gonna see are gonna be kind of some remakes of some of my older ones. Back when I was, maybe if you still think I'm boring, then I guess I'm still boring. But some of my older videos, I just didn't like the way I came across on camera. So we're gonna be doing some updates on that one. And this one is a series of 4 different cocktails that have historical ties to New Orleans. Growing up in New Orleans my whole life, I've lived there up until Hurricane Katrina. I'm not too far from there now. I wanna go ahead and pay homage to really where there's a huge cocktail history in New Orleans. So we kind of want to pay homage to that. And the first one we're going to start off with is a Brandy Milk Punch. Now the Brandy Milk Punch has been around for a while, much longer than like the New Orleans thing and everything. The Brandy Milk Punch kind of dates back to like the late 1700s, back in the colonial time. Even Ben Franklin had a version of his Brandy Milk Punch called the England Milk Punch or New England Milk Punch, where they clarify it. And its shelf life is apparently forever when you do that. I don't know. And back in the 1940s is when it really kind of gained popularity, starting in New Orleans. There was a family called the Brennan family, owned Brennan's restaurant in New Orleans, and they decided, I guess kind of in a restaurant war with another local restaurant in New Orleans, who had this big prime dinner scene, and Brennan couldn't pick up on that, so Brennan's went, okay, we're gonna have a lunch scene, but an early lunch scene, and hence brunch. Brunch was created in New Orleans by the Brennan family, and they decided we needed what they called an eye-opener cocktail or drink to serve with breakfast. Now, a lot of people at the time was like really delicate egg dishes, like eggs Benedict and things like that. So they wanted a drink that really paired well with that. And they found the Brandy Milk Punch, tweaked it up a little bit, made it their own, and this is one of the great recipes and really the format of most Brandy Milk Punches now today. And it's gonna be brandy, milk, sweetener, and vanilla. And that's it. It's not a hard drink to make. To do this keto-friendly, we're gonna be using almond milk. Now, if you wanna use half and half or heavy cream, you're gonna jump up in carbs a little bit, but oh my God, are they good? Oh, they good. Oh my God, are they good? But keeping it keto-friendly and low carb, we'll be using unsweetened almond milk, which has 1 carb per 8 ounces, and we're using 4 ounces. So this cocktail is gonna clock in at, math, half a carb. So this whole cocktail is gonna be 0.5 carbs. So enough jibber jabber, let's make a drink. So we're gonna start off in our small tin, and we're gonna be adding some, you're supposed to do the cheap shit first, whatever. We're gonna be adding 2 ounces of brandy. Use your favorite brandy. I don't drink a lot of it, so I don't spend a lot of money on it. So E&J is just fine. If you want to do cognac, if you want to do Hennessy, something, yeah, you do you, boo. I don't drink enough brandy to go through that kind of price point. So here we are. And next we're gonna be going 4 ounces of our almond milk. 2 and 4. Next, we're gonna go with a little bit of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. And when you're out there watching these other videos or finding these other recipes, the vanilla really jumps back and forth, anywhere from a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 ounce. That's a bit much for me. So we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon. And I think that's perfect. I don't think you need more than that. Next, we're gonna go with a little bit of sweetener. I tried this, I found this at my local liquor store. Master of Mixes makes a erythritol simple syrup. And in a pinch, it's really good. And as if you know about erythritol, 0 net carbs. So if you can find this on the shelf, go ahead and get it. If not, grab some RX sugar, make your own simple syrup. And here we're going to be doing 3/4 of an ounce. Again, some recipes say a ½ ounce, some say a full ounce. I kind of cap it in the middle at 3/4 ounce. So I'm going to add some ice to our shaker. And while we have it out, we're going to add a little bit of ice to a glass. And put that aside. All right, we're going to cap that off. Give it a good shake. All right. We're going to strain that into our glass of fresh ice. Now, if you want to add a touch of heavy cream or heavy cream in general, it's going to get a lot silkier. It's going to get a lot more viscous. It's going to be a lot foamier. And just those mouthfeels alone make a big difference. But again, we're talking about keto-friendly, which a ½ a carb all day long. Have 7 of them, 8. Have 8 of them. Have 8 of them. That's 4 carbs. I'll guarantee it's going to fit in your macros. Now garnish, this will be a little grated nutmeg. Now, here in South Louisiana, you know, a little bit west of New Orleans, in Cajun land, around Acadiana and stuff like that, and even in New Orleans, basically all of South Louisiana, this is the iconic Christmas drink. So having that little grate of nutmeg on top is absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. Man, it's good. It's good, it really is. If you're into the almond milk, you're really, really gonna enjoy this. But in all honesty, I would go with the extra carbs. It really, honestly, I would. I do a little heavy cream. Cut the heavy cream back to maybe 2 ounces, just so you're not getting as many carbs. Cut your brandy back to 1½ ounces, and just dial everything down a little bit so it just still stays balanced. But this is absolutely delicious. It's kind of like a vanilla milkshake. It's great. It's great. But it is better with heavy cream. It really is. It's still gonna be low carb if you use heavy cream. Not so much keto, but definitely low carb if you're using your heavy cream. And my last video, I used heavy cream, and oh my God, those are the best cocktails ever. But trying to keep it keto, more so than low carb, this is really, really tasty. But of course, heavy cream is gonna taste better than almond milk. That's just a fact of life. Oh gosh. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. The Brandy Milk Punch, made popular in the city of New Orleans by British restaurants in the 1940s. That's it for me. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because I'm back, and I'm definitely be having a great day too. See you later. Oh man, I miss you guys. I really do. God, I love you guys. Y'all are awesome.